When it comes to units in your boat, let's face it, they're expensive. You know, I have a few 12-inch HDS Live Pros in my boat, but one thing I want to bring up are these new sizes of Lowrance Elite FSs. This is now a 12-inch screen, and they also come in the 10-inch model as well. And so one thing I think this is really important is it's a lot more cost effective if you're gonna just add units. Now let's face it, I can do almost anything with the HDS Live Pro for networking. I can continue to daisy chain a lot of units together. That is literally the only thing that the Elite FS lacks, is basically networking ports in the back. It only has one Elite port and only has one FS port in the back of it. The screen is literally the same, the menus are the same, and it can almost do everything that the Pros can do. And so this is a great option if it's maybe a unit that's you know, just going to be used for mapping, or it's at the end of your chain there in the bow of the boat for maybe, you know, even sonar. It's still going to allow you to share waypoints, mapping, and even sonars on here, but this is also the perfect option for maybe a shuttle where you know you're not going to need extra networking in there. So it's just going to basically allow you to, you know, basically have a bigger screen on a budget. You're not really lacking anything when it comes to the screen. It's just networking capabilities. So this is just another option Lowrance has given you to save money, especially when it comes to adding units to your boat.